So, I was told, magbibigay ako ng tsokolate. Kailangan ko ba ito? Kailangan sa Claus de Open. Pero at least if you would have said, you'll get a chocolate each, okay? I don't know how many we are. If we're about 50, 60, we're good, okay? We're good in chocolates. So, guests and batchmates, friends, maraming magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Itong Christmas party na to is not really hard to organize, but logistically it's very difficult. Yun lang yung point ng logistics, trying to find a place and to get money and actually to find a concept. So, ang usapan dito was when Grace spoke na meron tayong outreach. In fact, in SEC registration natin, we're SEC registered. I don't know if you guys know. Okay, so yung SEC registration natin is to do outreach, to give to the poor if we could. It's mission and vision, you know, and to help the batchmates in general. Siguro marami na tayong tulungan. I think alam nila Grace, alam ni mga officers, especially the outreach group, individual people will help, batchmates mostly, and I think we'll continue to do this. One point about this Christmas party, it was done because of love. When you spread love instead of hate, instead of chismis, instead of hurting others, talking bad about others, di magiging successful yung grupo na to. So, the only way to make it successful is to just spread love. Meaning, walang away-away. Kung may mga chismis-chismis, go to the person directly and ask them directly, you know? You learn from this, by the way. Kasi biktima itong mga ibang dito, so let's avoid this and let's just spread love, if we can. Okay, so this is the team. Spread a little bit of chocolate now. Okay, so we go to the format. Ano ang gawin natin? Invite everybody in. Pipila. Anong gusto nyo? Ano tapat ng pila? Ilan kayo? Kayo mag-distribute. O isa-isa. Kaya mo sila. Ilabas mo na. Assistant ko, magaling ito eh. Dalawang assistant. One each. Yan.
Yes.
Yung ayaw, pwede sa akin, ha? Oh, yung mga hindi kumakain ng tsokolate.
Yung mga hindi makakakuha dito, meron pa tayong bite size, so there's more to that.
Yes! Ho, 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 ho!
You have
Si Amelia. Oh,